In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple new Möbius users in bulk using the Import Users from Roster option that's found on the system homepage. If you just want to add one or two new users, you can use this method, but it might be easier with the Add User option. Check out that help topic and video guide for those instructions. Note that in order to create new users, your system role needs to have the user creation privilege. The method I'm going to show you requires you to have a user roster file prepared ahead of time. It could look something like this. This can be a text file with the .txt file extension, or a comma-separated value file with the .csv file extension. Check out the Work with a User Roster File help topic and video guide for more details on working with these file types. To create multiple users simultaneously from the system homepage, click the System User Manager menu on the system homepage, and then click Import Users from Roster. You're then navigated to the Roster Upload page where you can select your user roster file that you want to upload. Select whether or not you want the users to be notified by email with their Möbius account creation and login credentials. Next, select the type of file you'll be uploading. It can either be a comma-separated or tab-separated, CSV, or text file. Then you'll click the Choose File button to navigate to your user roster file on your computer. When you select your user roster file, it will appear listed beside the Choose File button. When you click Submit, you'll be given a preview of the new files that are about to be created, or updated if you're using this method to update existing user profiles. Clicking the Upload Roster button confirms the user roster file submission, and the new profiles are shown on the confirmation screen. From here, you can just navigate elsewhere, or you could click Return to perform a user search of your newly created profiles, or click Create CSV to have a record of the new profiles that you just created. And that's how you can create multiple new users in bulk from the system homepage. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.